Hey, I'm Genevieve, and I'm really passionate about helping people learn languages because I see so many people getting stuck, doing the wrong things, and not getting to the fun part. Did you know there was a fun part? Yeah, and it's even better than you think. And it doesn't take years of suffering through verb charts and vocab lists to get there, no. But what ends up happening is that so many people just learn little bits and never feel like they can actually go into the real world and use the language. But that's why I started this channel, to help you learn a language. Yeah, you. Even if you might think it's hard or you don't have a lot of time to, I know it's possible. And I know there are amazing things waiting for you when you do. And I mean, I can't tell you what they are. I don't have a magical crystal ball here. But one thing I have learned is language opens up doors. In my case, I grew up close to Spanish, but I didn't learn it because I was shy to speak. Didn't want to make a mistake or sound like a fool, and I let that stop me. But then I saw the things I was missing out on and all the people I wanted to talk to, but I couldn't. So I decided to change that. And just a little bit at first, but that spark caught fire. And fast forward a little bit and led to meeting a ton of amazing people and going on adventures and learning other languages. I'm not trying to be dramatic here, but it changed my life. And in ways I didn't even think it would. It felt like a buy one, get 17 for free type special. It's like, why didn't nobody tell me that learning a language could be like this? So that's why I'm so passionate about languages, and that's the goal of the channel, to help set you up to be successful learning a language and hopefully motivate you, show you that you can, give you some shortcuts, save you some time, show you how to make it more fun, and get out in the world and speak, get to know people, since that's the point, right? So stick around and subscribe. I'll be sharing a ton of tips I've picked up over the years I've spent teaching. Oh yeah, I became a Spanish teacher. Talk about a 180. Coaching and learning languages. Mostly Spanish and Portuguese, since those are the ones I know the best, but also some lessons learned from other bits of languages I've learned as well. So make sure to introduce yourself in the comments. Tell me what language are you learning, and ask me a language-related question, and I might just answer your question in a future video. So welcome to Break Out and Speak, and hope to see you in the comments.